PLAY, stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short and brief 1 minute video. Looking at the Dave and Buster's Entertainment. I mean, I've said this before, but I quite like the setup. I'm the only guy that has done 41,000 videos and documented them all. It's taken me 5 years, but at least I've seen what's making me money and what is not. That being said, what I'm not going to do is randomly start getting involved. Like, if I pull up here, here's the top of the range for me. And the only thing that will make sense is if it does pull down a bit and gives me the confirmation. Now, that a bit part is just like $2, right? Yes, can I get involved here? Yeah, sure. But I'll prefer this because it's a lot more like, you know, headache. A lot less headache. Played previous receipts with play, stock itself, Dave and Buster's. But generally, just looking at this, like if you do want to learn how to make you 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.